Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial about ABS function in Excel. My name is Kasan Wijayasekara. In this video, we will discuss how the ABS function works and how you can use it to transform data. So what is ABS function, right? So the ABS function returns the absolute value of a number. That means the value of the number without its sign. For example, let's say the absolute value of -5 is 5, right? So this is the syntax ABS, and here we have a couple of examples and the result as well, right? So let's have a look at some real world example. Here I have sales data for ABC company, and I have region, months, products, sales target, and the actual sales. So first, let's find out the difference between sales target and the actual sales. So for that, I'm going to use my equals sales target minus actual sales. Right, so here I have minus 50, hundreds, minus 50, and minus 100. So what I want is to find the absolute difference. So for that, I'm going to use equals ABS, and then I'm going to select sales target minus actual sales, right? Here we go. Now I have the same set of numbers without its sign. So that's how it's worked. So here's another example. Response time of trading applications. I have a couple of trading applications and its response time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use ABS function to get the absolute value of this response time, right? So that's how it's worked. These are two situations that you can use ABS function. I hope this will help you. So that brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in next video.